Does it get harder and harder every day to get things into your garage? I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll talk about some simple ways to organize your stuff right after this.
DIY means sawdust, work gloves, and the right tools. But at the Home Depot, the right tools means more than hammers and saws. It means a mobile app with built-in image search. That's a tool. Access an entire rental department with a swipe. That's another tool. For any project, start to finish, this isn't just DIY. This is doing like never before. This is the Home Depot. How doers get more done. Download our mobile app to get started.
Garage organization stresses everyone out, but you'd be amazed at how much you can get in a garage if you use the space the right way. First, shelves, shelves, shelves. Get stuff off the floor and onto shelves. But instead of shelf units, build shelves up on the walls so car doors can open under them or mowers can be stored beneath them. Second, reserve some wall space to hang things that won't fit on shelves. Whether it's a fancy hardware system or some well-placed nails or hooks, hang up those rakes, shovels, lawn chairs, and baby strollers. Finally, consider hanging larger items from the ceiling, especially in the unused space along the sides between the garage door track and the wall. This is a perfect solution for kayaks or canoes. And who knows, you might even get a car in there. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.